Welcome to Cloaked Shadows. Have you ever wondered how to transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance? Do you know the steps involved and the precautions to take? Stay tuned as we dive deep into this process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest guides. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Specifically, we're going to focus on USDT, one of the most popular stablecoins out there. It might seem complicated, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of guidance, you'll be navigating the crypto waters like a pro. We're going to break down how to transfer USDT, a popular stablecoin, between two major exchanges, OKX and Binance. This process is simpler than you might think. This is essential knowledge for anyone looking to navigate the crypto space. Understanding how to move your assets securely is a fundamental skill. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this guide will give you the confidence to move your assets safely and efficiently. It's all about making informed decisions. Moving your crypto between different platforms is a common thing. It's a routine part of managing your digital assets. It's just like transferring money between different banks. The principles are the same, but the tools are different. You might find a better deal on one exchange or want to use a specific platform for its features. Each exchange has its own advantages. Whatever your reason, we'll make sure you can do it with ease. Our goal is to make this process as straightforward as possible for you. This isn't financial advice, of course. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. But knowledge is power, and understanding how to manage your crypto is crucial. So, let's get started. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to transfer your USDT with confidence. Before we jump into the how-to, let's make sure we're all on the same page about the what. We'll be talking about USDT, OKX, and Binance. USDT stands for Tether. It's a stable coin, which means its value is pegged to a stable asset, in this case, the US dollar. One USDT is designed to be worth $1. This makes it less volatile than other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. OKX and Binance are two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Think of them like stock exchanges, but for crypto. They provide platforms for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Knowing what these terms mean is the first step to mastering crypto. Once you understand the basics, everything else becomes much clearer. Before we move any actual money, we need to talk about security. Specifically, your seed phrase. This is a series of words that acts like a master key to your crypto wallet. If you lose access to your wallet, your seed phrase is the only way to recover your funds. Write it down offline in multiple secure locations. Don't store it on your computer or phone where it could be vulnerable to hackers. Think of your seed phrase like the combination to a safe. Except this safe holds your valuable cryptocurrency. You wouldn't share your safe combination with anyone, and you shouldn't share your seed phrase either. Legitimate companies will never ask for your seed phrase. If someone asks for it, it's a scam. Protecting your seed phrase is the most important aspect of crypto security. Take it seriously, and you'll greatly reduce the risk of losing your funds. Section 4, Step-by-step transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. Alright, let's get to the good stuff, moving your USDT. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, log into your OKX account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to enter that as well. This is where your USDT is currently stored. You can see your balance right on the main dashboard after logging in. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the real OKX website. This is crucial to avoid phishing scams. Next, navigate to your OKX wallet. This is usually found under the Assets or Wallet section of the website. This is where you'll find all your crypto balances. Take a moment to review your holdings. Look for USDT and click on Withdraw. This will open up a new window or section where you can enter the withdrawal details. Then enter your Binance USDT address. This is the address where your USDT will be sent. This is like entering the account number for a bank transfer. Just as you would double-check a bank account number, do the same here. You can find your Binance USDT address in your Binance wallet under Deposit. Make sure you select USDT as the cryptocurrency. Be extremely careful when entering this address. One wrong character could result in losing your funds. Double-check each character. After that, choose the network. This is an important step to ensure your funds are transferred correctly. Make sure you select the same network on both OKX and Binance. This ensures compatibility and avoids transfer issues. Using the wrong network can lead to delays or even loss of funds. Always double-check this setting. USDT is typically transferred on the ERC20 Ethereum or TRC20 Tron network. Choose the one that suits your needs. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Make sure you have enough to cover any transaction fees. Double-check the amount before confirming. It's always good to review all details to avoid mistakes. Review and confirm the transaction. This is your last chance to make any corrections. Make sure all the details are correct, the Binance address, the network, and the amount. Triple check if necessary. Once you confirm, the transfer will be initiated. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. Wait for the transfer to complete. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on network congestion. Be patient and avoid making multiple transfers. Finally, check your Binance wallet. Refresh the page if necessary to see the updated balance. Once the transfer is complete, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. You should receive a notification as well. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance. Now you can use your funds for trading or other purposes. Section 5. New to Binance? Setting up your account. If you don't have a Binance account yet, don't worry. It's quick and easy to set one up. Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and getting started is straightforward. First, go to the Binance website. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid any phishing scams. Again, double-check the URL to make sure it's the official Binance website. Then click on Register. This will take you to the registration page. You'll be asked to provide your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and secure. Verify your email address by checking your inbox. Binance will send you a verification email. This email is crucial for securing your account. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. This step is necessary to activate your account. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. This is an extra layer of security that we'll discuss in more detail in the next section. It's highly recommended to enable 2FA. Finally, complete the identity verification process. This step is essential for complying with regulations and ensuring the security of your account. Binance requires users to verify their identity to comply with anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. This helps prevent fraud and ensures a safe trading environment. This usually involves uploading a photo of your government-issued ID and a selfie. Make sure the images are clear and meet the requirements. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start trading. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Binance account. Section 6. Staying safe, 2FA and U. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a simple yet effective way to protect your account from unauthorized access. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or authentication app in addition to your password. Even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the 2FA code. Enable 2FA on all your crypto accounts, including OKX and Binance. It's a small step that can make a big difference in protecting your funds. Section 7. You did it. Now keep learning and growing. There you have it. You've learned how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance, set up a Binance account, and enhance your security with 2FA. This is a major step in your crypto journey, but remember, the learning never stops. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. Until next time,